I am going to start the fourth kingdom, Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes two different types of flowers and two groups of plant kingdoms. First is Cryptogamas, second is Phanerogamas. Cryptogamas, known as plants without seeds, sex organs invisible. These are the characteristics of cryptogamous plants. Phanerogamous plants with seeds and sex organs are visible. So now cryptogamous is further divided into Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta includes only algae. Bryophyta is further divided into Hepaticopsida, Anthoceropsida and Bryopsida. Pteridophyta divided into four groups: Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Asphenopsida and Ctenopsida. So these are the division of cryptogamous. So now second part of plant kingdom is Phanerogamous. Phanerogamous, its characteristics is plant with seeds and sex organs are visible. So Phanerogamous is generally known as flowering plants and Cryptogamous is known as non-flowering plants. So Phanerogamous plants divided into two groups, gymnosperms and angiosperms. In gymnosperms, seeds are naked and in angiosperms, seeds are also enclosed the ovary. So gymnosperms further classified into three groups. First is also known as Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida and Nitopsida. These are the three groups of gymnosperms. Angiosperms is further divided into dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Di means two, mono means one. Dicotyledons, two seed coats, and there is the single seed coats. So these are the differentiations of the plant kingdom. So now we discuss one by one each and every division of the plant kingdoms. First, Thallophyta. Thallophyta is Greek words. Thallus means undifferentiation or phyton means phyta, plant. So, undifferentiations plant. Its characteristics: plant body is not differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves. Which possesses undifferentiation or thallus-like forms. This is mass-like structures. Reproductive organs have single-celled. Reproductive organs single-celled, non-jacketed form known as gametangia. Embryo stage, vascular and mechanical tissues are all absent. Differentiations of true roots. Differentiation of true roots, stem and leaves is also absent. Asexual reproductions by accessory spores. Presently it is found in algae. So Thallophyta includes only group algae. On the basis of pigmentations, algae are of generally three types. First is also known as red algae, second is brown algae, and third is green algae. Algae is Latin words alga, that means seaweeds. It is also known as seaweeds. So there are some characteristics and common characteristics of algae we discuss here. Algae is aquatic either marine or fresh water. Few algae are occur in most moist habitats like tree trunk, wet rocks, moist soil, etc. These are the occurrence where it is present. Plant body is thallus. Its body is thallus mass-like structures covered by a mucilage. Plant body is mass-like structures covered by mucilage. Vascular tissue are absent. Nutrition is photosynthetic. Photosynthetic, that means autotrophic mode of nutrition, that have ability, plant have ability to synthesize their own food. Mucilaginous covers also helps for from epiphytic growth and decaying effects of water. It also prevents desiccations. Algae happens to get exposed on the source during flow tides. Vascular tissue are absent, already discussed. Being aquatic, water condition is not required. From of some of the giant algae. Giant algae means a long types of algae do have a systems for conductions of food. It has a systems. This systems is also known as conduction of food. There is no needed in other type of algae because of their small size and presence of photosynthetic cell all over the body. So these are the main characteristics features during of the vascular systems. A mechanical tissue is absent. Mechanical tissue is also absent. The body is flexible. Body is flexible. It helps the algae to sway with water tides without being torn. Nutrition is photosynthetic. Grena are absent. Nutrition is photosynthetic. Grena are absent. Algae contain chlorophyll A, carotenoids and xanthophylls. Additional pigments also contained in algae like phycobilins. Fucoxanthin occurs in a specific group of the algae. So vegetative reproductions and asexual mode of reproductions are abundant, in which asexual reproductions as well as vegetative reproductions are also present. Asexual spores are of two types, mitospores and meiospores. They are easily dispersed in aquatic habitat actively if it is motile and in conditions of non-motile it is by water currents. Sexual reproduction is absent in blue-green algae. In other algae like brown algae as well as the red algae, it is present. Sex organs are non-jacketed and one cell called gametangia and called gametangia. Sexual reproduction involves isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy in different groups. Anisogamy, oogamy and isogamy. Isogamy means morphologically similar gametes. Anisogamy means Both are dissimilar and oogamy also morphological similar in anisogamy and isogamy. One is motile and second is non-motile. So these are the on the basis of motility of the spores are of generally two types. One is anisogamy and second is oogamy. Embryo stage is absent. Embryo stage is absent. Life cycle is various forms. Life cycle of algae are various forms like haploantic, diploantic, and diplohaploantic form of the life cycle. So algae are usually differentiated on the basis of their pigmentations, flagellations, and storage product. Algae include under the kingdom of Plantae. So it is differentiated and are of generally three types: red algae, brown algae, and green algae. Now we see the economic importance of algae. Algae is used as the food. About 70 species of marine algae is used as food. For simple example is Alva, Laminaria, Porphyra are the Sargassum are the common example of algae which is used as the marine food. Second economic importance is food supplements. Spirulina corilla is rich in proteins. It is used by the space travelers for their food. Next economic importance is photosynthesis. Nearly 50% of total carbon dioxide fixation or photosynthesis of the world is carried out by the algae. Photosynthesis releases oxygen in the immediate aquatic environment. It is essential for respirations of aquatic life. Next, primary producer. Primary producer, it is play important role in ecosystem. In ecosystem, it it have ability to produce food, and on which the other creatures or other life is depend direct or indirect way. So it play important role in the ecosystems as a primary producers. Next is phycocolloids. Agar is a substance or product from produced by Xylidium and Gracilaria. Gracilaria is used as culture medium, canning of fish and meat, sizing of textile and paper. So agar is used in the different purpose. Second is algin. It is from the Laminaria, fucus and Sargassums. It is used as stabilizing emulsifications like shaving cream, ice cream, jelly, shampoos, etc. Artificial fibers and security grasses are also formed by the carrageenan from algae. So these are the importance of algae. Next, it is used as the sewage disposal. So algae also helps for the sewage disposal. So these are the economic importance of algae. Now we discuss algae resemblance with fungi. So resemblance between algae and fungi and the associations of algae and fungi form the structure. This structure is known as the lichen. So algal portion is known as the phycobiont and fungal portion is known as the mycobiont. So now we see the some points in resemblance between algae and fungi. Algae and fungi both occur in aquatic and semi-aquatic habitats. They have a simple body called thallus. Body is not differentiated into true stem, lips and root. So, a differentiation of stem, lips and root is absent. Asexual reproduction occurs by accessory or mitospores. Sex organs are unicellular and non-jacketed. And last, genetic union does not produce an embryo stage. So these are the resemblance between algae and fungi. So now I am going to discuss three classes of algae. Three classes of algae are differentiated on the basis of pigmentations, flagellations, and morphological structures. First is chlorophyceae, second is phaeophyceae, and third is rhodophyceae. So we see one by one classes of algae. So first is chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae is generally known as green algae. Green algae. Green algae. So here you see the structures A1. This is the structures of volvox. This is the colony and it is the best example of green algae. So here is distinguishing and written in the one by one of the name of figure and structure. So A1, A is the group of green algae. So figure A is including green algae. So first A1 is the colonial form of the green algae. Its example is the volvox. Second is cup shaped structures. A2 is also known as the Chlamydomonas. And third is the structures of Chara, that is the filamentous structure. So these are the various types of the green algae. Second, B denoted as the brown algae. Brown algae, first is B1 laminaria, B2 fucus and B3 dictyota. So these are examples of brown algae. Third is red algae, C denoted as red algae. C1 is Propyra and C2 is Polysiphonia. So these are the various types of algae discuss. So now we discuss one by one. First, green algae, chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae is known as green algae. Green algae are defined as a group of eukaryotic algae which resemble land plants in having cellulosic cell wall, starch as food, and both chlorophyll A and B as the photosynthetic pigments. So these are the major characteristics of chlorophyceae. The group contains about 7,000 living species. Green algae occurs in all types of habitats. Only 10% of green algae are marine. Majority of species are freshwater. Several members are subaerial. They grow on moist soil, walls, rocks, and tree trunks. Strains of Chlorella can bear members sorry moderate hot waters. Some form live in snow or frozen lakes. Some species are epiphytic, endophytic, and epizoic in nature. The algae gives protective colorations of the sloth. Certain green algae are constituents of lichens. Cephalo Cephalonus is parasitic on a number of higher plants. It reduces the yield of tea, coffee, peppers, and citrus fruits. Thallus of chlorophyceae is various forms. Unicellular flagellate like Chlamydomonas. This like structures. Unicellular non-flagellated Chlorella. Flagellate colonies like volvox, like this. Non-flagellated colony, Cynocetic and Siphonoceasis are the different types of colonies of chlorophyces. Cell wall contains cellulose with a few exceptions in the inner layer and pectose in the outer layer. Chloroplasts have 2 to 20 thylakoid lamella. Photosynthetic pigments are similar to those of higher plants like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, and xanthophyll. The color is green due to the predominance of chlorophyll. It is look green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Food reserve is a starch. Food reserve in the form of a starch, but some form possesses wild drops. Some form of chlorella reserve food in the form of a starch, and some are also in wild drops. Chloroplasts generally contain one to many storage bodies called perinoids. Perinoids contain protein and starch. These are the main characteristics of class Chlorophyceae. In flagellate form, an eye spot is present in the chloroplast. Asexual reproduction takes place by both mitospores and meiospores. The commonly asexual spores are zoospores, planospores, hypnospores, echinates, autospores, etc. are the asexual spores. Sexual reproduction is affected by isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. In isogamy, both the fusing gametes are morphologically and physiologically similar. They may be flagellated or non-flagellated. In anisogamy, the fusing gametes are structurally similar, but in size and behavior they are different. One of the two gametes is large and is called macrogamete or female gamete. The other is a smaller and is termed microgamete or male gamete. In oogamy, there is a large food laden non-flagellated female gametes called egg or oospores. The male gamete or anthrozoids is a smaller and motile. So these are the common characteristics of class Chlorophyceae blue-green algae. Chlorophyceae green algae. So these are common structures. Now discuss green algae. Green algae as ancestor of land plant. Of land plants. There are no biochemical, cytological, and morphological similarities between land plants and any other group of algae except the green ones or chlorophyta. The various evidences which favor the chlorophyceae origin of land plants are: first is both green algae and land plants possesses the same types of chlorophyll A and B. Chlorophyll A and B in both green algae and land plant. Second, the carotenoids pigments are similar in the two groups. Carotenoids pigments are similar in both groups. Carotenoid pigments. Third is cell wall contains similar cellulose and pectic compounds in the two groups. Cell wall contain both cellulose and pectin components or compounds. Pectin compounds. Fourth, starch is the common storage carbohydrate in both groups. Starch is storage in both. Storage in both in form of food. And fifth, evidences the flagella are similar in the motile form of the two groups. Flagella are similar in the motile form of both groups. So these are the ancestors of land plants and their evidences. Economic importance of green algae. Green algae used by human beings in the various forms. First, it is used as food. A number of green algae are used as food. Example, Alba chlorella can used as food rich in lipids, proteins, vitamins and minerals and which is utilized by the space traveler. Second, antibiotics. Antibiotics. It is used as the antibiotics. They can be extracted from chlorella and cholera. These are the two examples by which antibiotics are extracted. Third is parasites. Parasites. Cephaloneras cause red rust of tea and reduces yield of tea. It also reduces the yield of coffee, paper and citrus fruits, etc. And fourth is sewage treatment. It is utilized by sewage treatment. Sewage treatment or sewage oxidation. Sewage oxidation. Sewage oxidations pond contains a number of green algae, Chlamydomonas, chlorella, and the best examples for sea oxidation. It provided the maximum oxygens for survival of the aquatic bodies. Thank you. And next class we discuss the second class of Rhodophyceae of algae.